In the east of Singapore lies this HDB Maisonette that is home to a family of not 4, but 6 members. The homeowners went for a lush interior that is obvious in the patterns and textures throughout the home. The living room has been made spacious with a multifunctional wall that is 9.1 meter wide, connecting the entrance of the home to the balcony. It is made out of a great extension of storage cabinet, the feature wall, a recessed study area, and the altar. The tile work tells a story in this home, as you will notice different colored tiles were used as borders to create a separation of each area of the house whilst maintaining that open concept. Originally, the hallway between the living and dining room was narrow and dark, creating a gloomy ambience. I wanted some natural sunlight to brighten this area, so what I did was conceal the door to the kitchen and replacing it with a pocket glass window. Featuring a one-of-a-kind bookmatch slab, the presence of the theme is loud in the dining area as rich granite stone fill the room. The main surface area embody an intricate granite pattern that is carved from the same granite slab. The kitchen countertops and backsplash both used materials that came from the same granite slab, paired with dark, sophisticated carpentry that is extended into L-shaped counters. The backsplash even holds a favorite feature, which is the pot filler, providing convenience to the chefs of the house. The stairs are one of the main features of this maisonette. Not only focusing on the beauty of it, there were a few safety features added to it, such as replacing the edge of each step with anti-slip matte finishings and installing light strip along every step. The master bedroom entrance teases us with a uniquely curved shelving that hugs the wall, leading you to the grand bed. Adjacent to the bed lies a TV feature wall that provides privacy for the walk-in wardrobe behind. The eldest daughter is a creative person who is drawn to unconventional styles. Therefore, we came up with a mid-century bohemian interior for her room. Walls are partially hand-painted with light pink and customized wooden carpentry decorated with rattan doors. As a go-to interior style for females, the second daughter's room has a soft interior with vertical cove light that enhances the room. One of the doors of the wardrobe conveniently hold a full-length mirror, saving space to the room whilst creating a sleek interior. Clean lines is my thing, and I wanted the homeowners to feel like they are living in a convenient and luxurious penthouse, so pipes and electrical circuits are hidden from plain sight, creating an aesthetically pleasing home.